ka Meghalaya Talent Search Organization MTSO shen kan sa pynlong ya ka Northeast specially able got talent season 1 ka jingïakob ya ka sap ka phong la ka long hakarwai ka siaw ka shat ka tem bat kiwe ya ka ne karensan ka bala pynlong kyrpang tang na gamenta ki brew ki badon ka duna hakit khotmen la ka shan na ka office jong ka social welfare jong ka East Castle district but on pynlong lengba jong ka online kumta ki nong ishim bynta kin hap ban pynlong kerteng but kanon ru ka audition round ka ban sedang na do ka artrik hadu ka khat rew trik jong ujamang arajar arpuar kanon ru ka jing ai kusnam na ka bynta ki nong job kata ka san hajari ki bajop ha ka nam lado 10,000 ki buan baar but 9,000 ki buan balai but kinon ru hadu 9 ki consolation prize bama 6,000 tangka marwe uba sanat ba sayo moit obari chief advisor jongkani geseng ule thu ba gajing pynlong jongki ya kani karensan kabalong kyrpang tangne gabenta ki bernard khotmet kalong pan island na gabenta jongki bakin pen pau perthai ya kasap ka bakidon ulai thu ru bala island ya ki ban pen pau perthai hakani karensan ya kasap ka bakidon klem da don kam ban COAA kinong ishim benta kinha ban pha ki sernot jing pen chisha kum ki sernot sngi ki sernot jing pen chisha ba ki de ki brew ki bernard khotmet bat ki sernot nong shong nong bapura jongkari India kibari nakathai Northeast ka MTSO kadai kawai ne kikin hon ka pynlong ye ki babon ki rinsan ya kop isap apo jong gejela ka blas dang nadu ka Meghalaya Got Talent season 1 hadu ka season 4 bat ka pynlong teng ru ya ka Meghalaya Got specially able talent season 1 house nem aja katpra ya ka bala kashan da katana social welfare jong ka East Castle district bat manta kanwan ra byang ye kani ka rinsan na ka banta ki bri baduna dkhot jong kani ka thai Northeast
ngai khuble pi ki pai ba baro sa shisin ban ngadap da kijing sokmen ba ngayo ngilayo lat banya show meeting sa shisin menta ba kala kini ka khlam na dong shadong namar ba bros kata la youtube bang ishele kini ka Meghalaya Got Talent nakaliang jong ka seng MTSO Meghalaya Talent Search Organization te hakini kiti menta ngi sokmen ban pentip shapi pai ba baro kitu ki bedon sap ba nilarai da koi ka jingmut bangin pynlong no ya kani ka North East specially able got talent te kani kade kumshi benta na kini ki kijing kenti usap tungi te bon sien ni ka utusnem balade usnem yung to usnem pangasabatai kata hadin ngila jule kani ka MGSAT hadin jong ka Meghalaya Got Talent ngiyo iba buon kini ki bapli ki pidur di people with disabilities ki wan banyashim benta hapo Meghalaya Got Talent te hadin jong ka season 1 ngi perkhat ba ngatrai kan bah lada ngile ya ka special competition jong ka Meghalaya namenta jong ki people with disabilities kenapa kiru kinyo la kabenta hendai kamut pada ba siapa Meghalaya Got Talent tu kinamla ban kila bi ban it's open but shulong kani especially for them te hadin bangla success of MGT Meghalaya Got Specially Able Talent season 1 ngila da pendap katu kadai ke jingate jungi ba ka social welfare department te menta de haka ni katunti beda ngi perkhat ba nginle no da ka online first online Northeast specially able talent te kaniru kadai daka jingya tie up but social welfare department ka jongka East Castle kani ngi mudban pynlong ha ka online registration ka long open nado ka sedang de audition round from 2nd of May 2022 at 9 AM bat kan khang haka khan riu tarik banai me 1000 fuar te kiba kwa ban pha ki entries tong ki kila ban pha te tang ba kani ka competition ngam kwa ba ki wei ki ba biang da dong shadong ba ki sotho bakla ma kani ke special tang namta ki people with disabilities only for people with disabilities ngim nam entertain ki wei namar namta ka tu hadin jong ka tu ngin sa continue bada sa ki wei pat ka Meghalaya Got Talent season 5 is going to happen after that. Kim dan kam si eru kani kadai free registration entry free and kidan ki prices hangni ru kiba pinga chu read out mo mode of the competition online via videos. They have to send the videos. To be organized by the Meghalaya's Talent Search Organization, Meghalaya, supported by the District Social Welfare Office, East Khasi District, Shillong, Government of Meghalaya. Prices for winner is 15,000, 15,000. First runner-up will be 10,000. Second runner-up is 7,000. And we have 7 consolation prizes. Ngidon. Consolation prize kalong 6,000 marway. Ngidon new tali. But registration kalong free. Ndan jing charge ru. Kajing tunggu kalong ban encourage ban mynsiem ya ki talent nama hap ngilap ba haki people with disabilities, they have got special talents. And haka MGSAT season 1 ngilap ba kidon ki painters, kidon ki dancers, kiba miosngo kashkon where they can dance to the beat and the rhythm just by their instinct, we can say, and they are very talented. They ki artist kidon visual art kidon ki kubong IP kinong rai kinong shot but kumta taten. Ti kadai ka kumsi benta ban pynslur yaki bakin la ban yo benta lang haka society. Ka opportunity kalong ba hak yamenta ti ka platform ka sudan betang hapo YouTube. Ngila dep yikito brokhot ngi sa upload hapo YouTube. Hapo ka bandar jongka Meghalaya Talent Search Organization. Ti brokhot ki beri po pathai kila ban pet kila ban i. Ti nang tu le sti kila ban ka advantage kila dadon kuno. Kum ngan chu ai shi benta ngan chu ai nuksa hakapo bakiwan ki ngathai players no ye kane ka ban ka ba kateng ka LED light after dark. Kani ka ban ki wan ningkong apo Meghalaya's Got Talent season 1 ki wan hanto ban compete ki poi top 10. Ti ngathai fly i ka jayu ban benta yaki. Kilali keleng ke India, kilali tem kacha keyboard ki bakhot iki, and they are quite talented. This a rock band. Ti kata ka. Tadi way example ti. Ti kermen ba kini ki bangile aru kadlong ban ai ka jingïakob.
Kadang ka link ka ba ki mention yakini ki dates ki ba kilabu ban pelat ya ka auditions te kin pelat hakini ki MTSO YouTube channel, Meghalaya's Talent Search Organization YouTube channel, but ki Meghalaya's Got Talent Facebook page. Te ya ka link kin sa pelat lang hakini ki channels. Te link ba ki link pat phila ban san ki ya ki documents jong fi but ya ki videos ru ha kan jo